In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Solana meme coins on Telegram bot. Now for this bot, we're going to be using the Nova bot. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up via my link to Nova, you will get instant access and you won't have to wait on the waitlist. So you can check that out if you want to and skip the waitlist and get to using it right away. Now Nova, also called Nova Click, is one of the most popular platforms on Telegram where you can buy meme coins as well as extensions you can use on different platforms where you can trade meme coins. So as you can see over here, for example, in Axiom Pro, which I like to use the most and most professionals use, you can use it on here as well, and it's honestly great. But if you want to simply use it inside the Telegram as a Telegram bot, you're free to do it as well, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So, by the way, if you want to sign up for Axiom as well, there's a link down below in the description, as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. It's great. It's got a wallet tracker, got a Twitter tracker, presets, a lot of different filters over here, settings, you can trade perpetuals. It's basically one of the best on the market. So check it out if you want to. Now, from here, you want to go to Nova, as I said, use the link down below, and from here, you want to simply click on this icon and click on Start. You can also click on Menu, it will pop up the same menu, there we go, and to buy meme coins, Solana meme coins, you want to click Buy first, and then you'll have to send a token address. You can do this by going, for example, to Axiom. You can open up some coin you would like to buy, for example, this one, and click next to it where it says the name of it. Click on it. It will copy the address to clipboard, then paste it in here, press enter, and just like this, you are inside the token. As you can see, you can buy this country token. Now, the price is set over here. You can then select how much you would like, and of course, connect your wallet. So the wallet is W1 for me. As you can see over here, right now, there's nothing on there. You can change it if you want to. You can change between the two wallets if you would like, because I have two. If you have more, of course, you'll be able to do more. And then you can select how much you would like to buy. So for example, 0.5, 1, 2, 5, etc. Okay, so you can also switch to sell over here and you'll be able to sell. There we go. And you can go back to buy and so on and so forth. So it gives you a lot of different options to do a lot of different things. You can limit orders, you can multi-buy, you can use the sniper, the MEV protect if you want to, and stuff like that. So let me just show you how to actually connect a wallet. So if I go to wallets over here, you can see you have a default wallet, and then you have this wallet over here, which is a wallet I connected myself. And you can change the default wallet by clicking over here, or create a new one by clicking over here, or import one by clicking over here. So whichever thing you want to do, you can feel free to click, and after that you'll be able to create or import a new wallet, which is quite simple. Just follow the instructions inside this Telegram bot. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.